Your home is your sanctuary. It's where you relax, entertain, and create memories. But what if your home had something more? Introducing Deckon Builders, the experts in building beautiful decks and verandas that transform your outdoor living space. With Deckon Builders, you can enjoy the benefits of an increased home value, additional outdoor living space, and improved aesthetics. Whether you want to entertain guests, host a barbecue, or simply enjoy a quiet evening with your loved ones, Deckon Builders can make it happen. We understand that cost and timelines are important factors for our customers. That's why Deckon Builders offers competitive pricing and works with you to ensure your project is completed on time. Our team is committed to providing the best possible service to our customers. We will work with you every step of the way to ensure your project is completed to your satisfaction. So why wait? Transform your outdoor living space with Deckon Builders today.